Okay, so in chapter, this is 15, so we have metal extrusion, drawing, process, and equipment. The keynote. Okay, so we get into extrusion. We're dealing with pushing, right, a billet, and you're gonna push that billet through a die. Your die is just, a device or machinery that we use for cutting or molding metal, right? And a billet is just a small bar, okay, or just a metal. We call it just a metal blank, right? A piece of metal, of course. And what we're doing is we're processing, yeah. So we push a billet through a die, and then we're gonna reduce the cross section, yeah. And we're gonna produce various solid and hollow cross sections. Since you're pushing a billet through a die, of course, you're making hollow products. Yeah? Extrusion process is carried out. We can do it in elevated temperatures. We do extrusion process, right, to reduce the extrusion force and also to improve the ductility, right, flexibility of the material. So what are the important factors in extrusion? You gotta pay attention to die design. You should know by now, yeah. It's still not very difficult. Extrusion ratio, yes, dealing with. And billet temperature. Temperature is always important in every manufacturing processes. Lubrication and extrusion speed. Okay. Cold extrusion we're doing at room temperature. We also use it, okay, for a combination of extrusion and forging operation. So sometimes if you combine extrusion process and forging process, then we call that cold extrusion. And if you do extrusion at room temperature, we also call that cold extrusion. Okay, so cold extrusion, this process is capable, right, economically capable of producing discrete parts. And we can do it in various shapes. We can do it with good mechanical properties, and we can do it with good dimensional tolerances. Okay. Another operation is called drawing operation, right? We make rods, right? And then we make wires and tubes, and they involve pulling the material through a die. Okay, we're gonna pull it through a die. Or a set of dies, right, in tandem. Here you can see a set of dies walking in tandems. So when you take a look at the drawn products, all right, here you see the die and you draw it, and on the cross sections, all right, they're mostly round. But you can also make, all right, shapes, other shapes, of course, by using a drawing operation. Okay, so when we draw tubular products, we require the use of internal, right, mandrels rods, right, cylindrical rods, or they're just shafts. All right, we use that, all right, in drawing tubular products, and that process is done to reduce, all right, either the diameter or the thickness. So what are we doing? We are reducing, right, the diameter. We're reducing the thickness in our products, right, by using the shaft or mandrels. Again, we come into important parameters in drawing. So the same thing, die design. We're seeing this again and again. So you ought to know by now, reduction of cross-section, now area per pass, of course, selection of die material, right, and lubricants. Lubricants is important because we're dealing with machines. These parameters are important. Okay, die design, reduction of cross-sectional area per pass, selection of die materials and lubricants. So why? To make high quality drawn product. Okay, quality, and quality. And also with, of course, a good surface finish, right? And this is important for our customers. Defects. Our internal defects, our external defects, right? They can develop, of course, in extrusion and also in drawing. Significant factors in drawing, so we have to pay attention. Die angle, reduction of either diameter or thickness per pass, of course, and quality of workpiece material. Okay, we have to pay attention to them because they are significant factors in our drawing process. Okay, so that's what you need to pay attention for chapter 15 keys in metal extrusion and drawing processes and equipment. I'm going to go ahead and end this lecture.